Hey Charmers, Johnny here. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I did this easy makeup look using the products in the April box. If you wanna learn how I did this look, keep on watching. So first I'm gonna start using my eyeshadow primer that some of you have gotten in the past box. I'm gonna just open it and apply it a tiny bit in the middle of my eyelids. And then I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. Bueno Charmers, now that we're ready with our base, now we're gonna jump in right ahead with our eyes, and we're gonna start with this pure palette in the festival style. We're gonna start using the Epic color with a small blending brush. So I'm gonna be applying the color Epic, first starting in the outer side of my eye. I like to first stamp the product just so I can see how pigmented the colors are before blending them. And then with another brush, a bigger brush, I like to go in just with a tiny bit of the same shadow and just blend in the outer part. So far I like these shadows a lot. They're blending really well. I haven't had any problem stamping the color, just blending it around my crease. And now I'm gonna deepen this outer corner area using the color Hidden Desert and another small blending brush. And I'm only gonna apply this on the outer part of my eye just so I can deepen that crease that I'm creating. With a small flat brush, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of my eyeshadow primer because I want to cut the crease in this area so I can add a deeper color. So what I do is I apply a little bit in the back of my hand, then I take that flat brush, dab it a little bit, and I don't apply it right away to my eye because this first application is always too wet. So I apply it on another side of my hand, and then with that I cut the crease again. And while that dries down, I'm also gonna take quickly another small brush. And with this small brush, I'm gonna take the color Free Spirit and I'm gonna apply it everywhere that I just applied that eyeshadow primer. As you can see, because of the eyeshadow primer, this color comes out looking really beautiful and also extra pigmented than usual. So it's something that I love to use all the time whenever I'm applying any kind of foil shadows like this. So to finish up this eye area, I'm gonna add a little bit of sparkle because who doesn't like sparkle? So I'm gonna go with the color 24 Karat Magic in a small tiny brush. And this I'm only gonna add it in the inner corner of my eye just to make an extra pop. So take it with your brush and then, ooh, y'all see that? It's just a subtle pop of glitter, subtle, not really. I love it. Okay Charmers, so now that I finished this part of my eyes, I'm gonna quickly go off camera to do my face and I'll be back in a little bit. Okay Charmers, so now that we're back and I have my face fully done, now I'm gonna finish the eye look using some of the brushes that we got this month. I'm gonna start using this Luxie flat brush 245 and I'm gonna use this shade Hidden Desert, the same one that I was wearing in the outer part of my eye, and I'm gonna use it and apply it just in the bottom of my eye. And I'm gonna bring this color all the way down to my inner corner. And again, I'm taking the same shade, Hidden Desert, and connecting the bottom of my eye. And to add a little bit more definition, I'm gonna line my eyes using this eye pencil by Bodyography in the shade Bali Bronzer. It's this beautiful bronze color. Use your beauty blender so you can pull your eye down a little bit without messing your makeup and just apply it. Okay Charmers, so now I'm gonna be taking my Artist Couture Summer Haze Diamond Glow Powder. These highlighters are incredible. They come in a loose format like this, and I'm gonna also use the Luxie 209 large shader brush to apply it. A lot of people don't like to use this kind of small brush to apply highlighter, but I personally prefer them, especially when I'm using a loose powder, so I can have more control over where I'm gonna place the powder. So as you can see, I dab it a little bit on the highlighter, tap the excess off, and then just glow. Wow. And I always love to apply highlighter as well under my brows before I do them. It's a good way for me to shape them and to see where I'm gonna be finishing them. So again, I'm gonna be applying a little bit of that loose powder, dab off the excess, and then apply. There you go. And you see that connected the look and gave me like more definition on where I'm gonna draw my brow later on. And now I'm gonna be using my 512 Luxie brush to apply some blush. Rosy cheeks. Okay, charmers, so now I'm gonna go with my $1 Billion brow pencil that you all got before and complete my brows. After I apply the product, I like to blend it up so it looks seamless and it looks like I have nothing on. Like I woke up with these brows, you know? And I always like to apply a little bit here just to give back some definition to my mustache because I blended it out with foundation. So that's my secret. So for my lips, I'm gonna be doing a nude lip and then I'm gonna top it up with a lip gloss. Now I'm gonna use the Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss to top these beautiful lips and to make them shiny. What I love about this lip gloss is that it has a little bit of a purple reflex on it. So it doesn't matter on what color you're putting it on, it will still show a little bit of a purple reflex. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes, add some rhinestones, and I'll be back with the finished look. Bueno, charmers! Now, this is my final look. As you can see, I use all of the products in the April box to create this easy, everyday, no makeup look. Just kidding. This is my very like subtle festival, everyday going out to party look. You know, like you're going to a party, you're going to a festival, you still want to look cute, but like, you know, show some glam, a little bit of rhinestones in here and there. Again, this is a really easy and fun look to recreate. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Bye, charmers.